dad's vacuuming on the weekends, be like, dude, the game's on. It'll be faster and easier making a video vacuuming up my kid's stuff instead of bending over to pick it up. His Melee vacuum was pretty legit. But seriously, guys, do yourself a favor and get yourselves a top-of-the-line vacuum that takes bags. I'll show you why in just a sec. Oops, hope that wasn't important. Now you see it, now you don't. Hey, if you're my kids, sucks to be you. Don't tell anyone, but I vacuum up kids' toys all the time and have never been caught. Looks like my job here is done. Dad for the win.